Hello everyone, my name is Anupota. So today we are going to discuss about unit number 6, DevOps, lecture number 51. Let us go through contents that we are going to discuss in this video. So why we use the DevOps? Why DevOps? So one of the reasons we are using DevOps is due to rapid innovation and shorter development cycles. So with the mixed effort of both the developers and operation teams, applications are more usable more quickly, which means both the developers as well as the operation teams will be responsible for delivering the application, and which makes them easy to use more quickly. This is crucial as organizations succeed depending on their ability to develop faster than their rivals do. Second reason is less deployment failures. So as you know, while deploying the project or any other application, there may be failures, but by using some traditional methods of deployment. But when we use the DevOps for the deployment, there will be a less amount of failure rate than compared to the traditional methods. So due to the arising bugs while programming, the team experience deployment failures. So it sometimes happens while deploying the project, it may cause some failures. Smaller development life cycles within a develop more frequent code release. So this process becomes easier to identify code defects so that the teams can overcome the amount of development failures using the principles of agile program. Now in this, what happens is, if you face some failure if you are using a DevOps operation, so when we use it, the DevOps develop more frequent code release, which means when we use the DevOps, we get easier to identify code defects when we use the DevOps. So it will take less time to overcome the amount of deployment failures, and they use the principle of agile programming. Third one is enhanced communication. Now DevOps enhance the culture of software development. The combined efforts of teams give rise to increased productivity. Now this culture aims to work combinedly. Now the communication between the developers and operations helps to increase the productivity. Now these teams work more effectively and produce better results when trust between them becomes stronger. Fourth one is increased efficiency. Now this helps to enhance the development process. So efficiency is more, the development process increases. So it avoids further errors to occur. Fifth one is reduced expenses. That is, all of the job benefits translate to decrease overall expenses, and which means and requirements of IT headcount. So in this video we have discussed about reason why DevOps is required. Thank you.